I got my hoodie. I got my hoodie. Yes, my hoodie is here. Wow. So before I see anything, let me check my package. Wow. I'm so eager. So eager. Wow. 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 It says to Okoyemi Richardson Owevo. Wow. From Dejo Raimo. Wow. Wow. This is so beautiful. In fact, when I saw the post, I was like, okay, I went into the comment section and Infinix has always been there. It's my go-to brand. My YouTube channel has been Infinix, as I've been using Infinix. And do you know one thing I like Infinix for? I love Infinix because of its repair service. Like if your Infinix has an issue, just take it to carlcare and you will get it as if you're buying it anew. Like it's awesome. It's so awesome. Thank you so much, Infinix. I love this so much. Wow. Let me try to put it on. Oh, this feels so sassy. This feels so comfy. I love it. The future is now. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Are you eager to be an Infinix brand user? What are you waiting for? Why not get yourself an Infinix phone today? Thank you.